Croeso, welcome to Blessed Edward Jones Catholic High School in Rhyl. Please join in the consultation process about the future of church education in Ddinbych.
Welcome to Ysgol Mair, St Mary's Catholic Primary School. I'm very excited to be here today because we're going to have a new school from 3 to 16 covering Ysgol Mair and Blessed Edward Jones. And it's wonderful that Bishop Peter, Ddinbych County Council and the Welsh Assembly Government are all in favour of this.
We as a school are really excited to be part of and engaged in the process to discuss the future, and it's exciting.
I'm really excited for it.
I'm just really looking forward to being in the new surroundings.
Yeah. I feel like it's going to be a better future for us and younger pupils that are coming into the school.
Well, I am excited for the schools being joined together, but it's got to be a bit sad as well because the school's been here for a long time, and it's going to 60 years, and it's going to get rebuilt again.
I'm looking forward to just having social spaces, so outdoor and indoor. So if it's cold outside, you can go indoor and then you can chat with your friends instead of being cold outside.
I am looking forward to it, but I'm not as well because I don't want anything, like all my memories gone from this school going away and then I can never think of them again.
Like a better library, bigger, and better books and more computers and stuff.
Technology,
yeah.
Better technology, and holograms and that.
The new consultation, which starts on the 15th of February and will go on to the 30th of March. It's so exciting because we're all involved right from the beginning. We'll take ownership, everybody's involved, and I thank everybody for doing that for us.